I'm happy to help the sport. You know, for me it's very important to leave the game better off. In particular, it's important that you know, the players have a good image, that kids and juniors can look up to us and say, I want to maybe be like him. And if you can sometimes go even outside of your sport and, you know, be compared to other sports, or that other sports look to tennis and say, look at how great tennis is doing, that's all compliments, and that's all the things I hope we can achieve one day.